Hello guys, if you facing this type of pop-up HP Hotkey Support again and again when you press function key, then don't worry, I give you 100% solution for this. So you need to just go there and search services and search hotkeys, HP Hotkey services, and you need to HP Hotkey VUB services. You need to just go there, properties, and startup type to disable and stop these services. You just stop this and apply and okay, finish. You know you are not facing this type of issue again. Let's suppose we just increase the brightness, decrease the brightness without any pop-up. This will works. So if you like the video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.